safety bar. This is a one-way only, so it goes in, it does not go out. So if I'm up here and I lose my balance, I fall against this, I'm not going to take a big tumble down onto the ground. Which we're about 8 feet off the ground right now. That would hurt. This is the safety bar. So I push this out of the way, and now I'm up here safely. We have 2 places where we can control this ladder from. Right here, this is called the turntable, this area that we're on now. The other area is up front called the bucket. The controller here has 3 different control sticks. Elevation, so we can raise or lower. Rotation, we can go left or right. And then extension, we can go out or in. And then there's a computer screen here that shows us all kinds of information about our ladder, what we're capable of hauling at the particular moment, given an extension and an elevation, how much weight we're safely able to handle on this ladder. Some other screens that we have here are, there's a picture of the truck itself that shows you how long it is from front to back, how far extended you are, how far this bucket is off the ground. So once I feel like everything is set here, I'm going to close this so nobody touches my controls, and then I'm going to take a trip on up to the front. Okay, so here we are. We're in the bucket. We're on the opposite end of the ladder as we were before. The turntable is behind us. Since I did say this is a turntable, we have to have safety precautions in mind. This is our belt. I'll put this belt on, and then it allows me to hook into one of these anchor points so that we don't fall off if something gets bumpy. Sometimes it gets windy, and that's not good for us. I'm going to put this belt on. I'm going to snug it up as best I can. And then once I take my hook, I put it into one of these anchor points. I'm good to go. In case we had some turbulence or whatever up there, I'm safe, I'm locked in. Just like down at the turntable, I have my 3 controls, the same 3 controls as before. The same screen as before, so I can get a real-time data readout of what's going on. I got my GPMs or gallons per minute that's coming out of my water gun on the end here. We're also capable of breathing air up here, so I can tell how much air I got in our tank. It also tells me what degree of angle I have going up. That gun that shoots the water is controlled by these 3, so I can raise it or lower it. I can swing it right and left. And the other function is going from a straight stream to a fog, which we don't have that capability right now because the tip that's on there is called a smooth bore. That's all we use. So basically our only ability is to, we can change the size of the tip that we have. I can screw this off. What that does for you is that it will increase as the hole size gets bigger, you're increasing the amount of water you're able to do. The smallest one we have here is 1 3/8. That's about 500 gallons a minute. The largest size we have here is a full 2-inch tip. That's 2,000 gallons per minute. I'll stow this gun away and then we'll go for a ride.